Freddy here, along with Baby. We're going to continue Chipper and Sons Lumber Company. I don't know what I'm doing, okay. Right now we're trying to get chrome tubes. I think we're at 6 chrome tubes. Just need 4 more. Let's turn down the sound before we blow up our eardrums. Titus. I'm really keeping my eye out for secrets, just telling you guys. Got 100% attention on the little details. I need to be better at that. I also need to be better at completing minigames, such as the seagull minigame. Hey, I just noticed this. So you see where we are at now? If you look above us, you can see the moon. That's cool. Sure, I'll take some grapes. I don't need the leaves. You can get leaves a lot in this game. Okay, sorry, mister, but I'm gonna have to kill you. If you don't mind. Nope, I don't need wood-bot hands. Sorry, mister. Sorry, Mr. Buddy. Hey, Freddy. Yeah? I was always wondering, what are these frogs for? Oh, they just randomly give you stuff? Well, yeah, what do they give you? Oh, they give you, like, leaves. And occasionally some lumber. Oh, that's nice. Okay, no difference. No exotic screens. If you didn't know what exotic means, that means rare. Oh. Hey, baby. Yeah? Don't you think that this music is kind of cool? Yeah, I think so, Freddy. Aw, I kinda broke the silence. Minigame, yeah! Look at that derpy mushroom. Hello, Mr. Derpy Mushroom, how are you doing? I hope you're doing fantastic. I'm just jamming out to this music while paying attention. No! I was paying attention, but I forgot. I don't know why I'm being so quiet. Okay, we did it. Yeah. And we fell back into the hole. We're really the smartest character in the game. Jellyfish. Darn it. How many? I have 4 jellyfish. And I'm planning on making everything in the game, if you're wondering. We're really close to making the father tree, and then we can get the, I'm not going to tell you guys because that's going to spoil it. So, if you've seen this, don't spoil it in the comments, people. Don't be jerks. Okay, there's the noise again. Freddy, why do I get scared about this? I don't know. It reminds me of a whale. But at the end of this game, you'll know why that sound makes that sound makes it for a reason. Hippo jars, yay! Hippo jars are fun, I guess. Hippo jars are hippo jars. Freddy, just stop it. Your singing is horrible. Sorry. Did you know I use this song in real life as well? Oh yeah, we also have an announcement we're going to talk about right after this. It's a really cool announcement that you're going to love. I'm sorry I couldn't make the Slenderina video last night. I had to sleep extra because I was really groggy the other morning. So, we're going to do Slenderina for sure. 1000%. We're doing it. And Chica is also going to play Slender Man today. And I'm going to work on them right after this video. So we'll get both of them on time. Give me this word, give me this word, give me this, give me this, give me this word. I hope you guys would really like Slenderina and Slenderman. We'll get another modern chair. That's a nice collectible item since we already beat the game. Pretty much we've pretty much made everything. Let's see here. How many are we at now? Why am I going backwards? Okay. And how many seals? 9. We just need one more, I think? Are you serious? No. One more, and then we'll get. We need 40, I think. My maths is wrong, so I'm guessing 15. I think 15. 15 seagulls. No, we need 20. 20 seagulls. 20 seagulls. Seagulls. So we gotta make more of these guys, the crab things. Because the crab guys, they give you like seaweed and stuff. And there's that noise again. I hate that noise. I very dislike that noise. So we're gonna make more crab caravanas, I think. I think that's what they're called. Yeah, crabana. I do not know how to say that. We're gonna put 2 more. We're gonna try to put 1 more, I think. I think that's all we have enough for. Yep, we're just gonna build this last one. And sure we should get some stuff. I'm pretty sure we can get some good stuff. Okay, now let's go check out the people under the bridge. See how they're doing. Are you happy? Hello. Thank you for another wooden seagull. We have 10, so we can get 2 more chrome tubes once he sells, Tinker sells them again. let's see Smoothie. See how he's doing in his gloryful day. Hello, buddy. Oh, a vintage woodbot. Okay, that's kind of cool. We can use that. We can make robots out of that, so that's kind of cool. Like you. So, hi guys. How are your morning and afternoon going? I'm doing great actually today. I hope you guys are too. And if you're not, that's why you go watch these videos. To lift your spirits and stop you from depression. Oh, he actually talked. He didn't talk in Morse code. That's kind of cool. As a whale. Dancing too. Okay, I know what we're gonna go do next. How many crab thingy-mobbers, doodly handlers are we gonna do? Okay, no Easter eggs. Okay, how many crab thingy-mobbers, doodly handlers can we make? Why am I going backwards? It's easier going forwards. Okay, we can make a ton more. We can actually make one more. But I'm trying to use my brain and it failed. Die! Die. And also, guys, today, I almost forgot, the word of the day today is going to be love. I was trying to save it till Valentine's Day, but it didn't work. Okay, let's try to beat this minigame, because that's what I really want to do right now. I'm going to do it until we beat it, which will take a long time. No, I was paying attention to it. That didn't make sense. Okay, I can't do it. I'm sorry. I need minigame mastery. Because then we can finally figure out the... Well, actually, I know what that is. What it gives you. It gives you a rainstorm. Hippopotamus coins. And let's head on over to my father. Hello, Father. How are you doing? And if you guys haven't noticed, there's actually a mailbox right here. So you see my character? Okay, never mind. You can't see my character. So you see my character right there. You see him wiggling around. Right next to it, you can see a mailbox right here. Right next to my forehead. This is also where we have dates. And there's flowers. There's an X here. And I just realized we have 3 golden fungi. We're getting so many jellyfish this episode. How many do we have? Jellyfish? We have 6. We had 4. I think we had 3 actually at the beginning. Whew. Time flies when you're having fun. That's a true statement right there. Because it's true. Let me disintegrate you, my friend. There's that noise again. Jeez, Freddy, I really hate that noise. Yeah, so do I. And I see we got some hippopotamus coins. Let's pick them up before we lose them. Let's build our last one there. I think we can finish the day, actually. Nope, can't. Not until a while. But now we have some more ways we can get like seaweed and stuff. We can build some bots. Now after this, we're gonna see how many coins I have. And we should have, and we have 119. We have a lot of coins. Now, we're gonna see a new minigame, baby. Do you wanna see this new minigame? And we're gonna see it when we go talk to Smoothie. And we, oh my gosh, more wood I have to turn. Okay. Grab that fisher's net. Let's go down here real quick. See if there's more stuff that we can get for purpose of what for the chrome tubes. Now quickly we're gonna kill all these monsters. And we're gonna go down, say hi to Smoothie, and see if he has the minigame available. I'm saying available because I'm not sure for say. And no, he doesn't have the minigame. I'm sorry, baby, we can't see the minigame for now. But eventually we will. I've shown it on the channel a couple times. It's called Angry Jellies. That's quite neat, Freddy. Yeah, I know it is. And yeah, we'll explain it more. Oh my gosh, we got another jellyfish. Well, okay, we can show you this minigame. I think we played it last time. But still, it's kind of cool. Not in here. Okay, there should be a block here. Nope. Where's the gem? Show me that jewel. Okay, we've completed it, and we should get a red seed. A red, yeah, we got a red tree. Hippopotamus wings. Crumb tubes? No. Sorry, buddy, can't. Can't and won't. Next, we're saving up for minigame mastery or weather mastery. I think I'm gonna get weather mastery because I think that's a little bit more useful. Because the minigames are just side things, and we got captured again. That's just great. That's just great. What do you want from me? No Easter eggs? Sorry, I don't have enough. Well, I'm alive. And we're going to work on building other things today. In this episode and the next. Crumb tube. Good. Crumb tube. 7, so that means we only need 15. That means we just need 4 more. So something we're going to do now, we're going to try to build, where is it? We're going to build this thing at one point in time. Where we built that, we built that, we built that. We haven't built this. That requires a lot of stuff though. Beach truffles are easy, common starfish are not very common. But we can do our best. We will do our best. Okay, it's just pretty much sea star farming. That's what they're actually called, sea star. Oh wait, the minigame's unlocked. We can show you, baby, at the very end of this episode. Okay, so the main objective of this game is to kill the Papa Jelly. Die, Papa Jelly! Owie. I feel bad for him because we're shooting him in the noggin. squids at the end, then we lose. Yes, we won! Yay! Now we should get a green acorn. Yep. We got some more redwood. And this is where... Okay, let's check on, what you call him? Tinker, one more time, to see if he has chrome tubes. And we get freaking captured. Sorry for the language. I know it's acceptable for some people, but some people it's not. Yes, I need redwood to make a termite colony. You need 99 redwood, plain wood, to make a termite colony, and we're going to build one of those. Come on, last chance, buddy. Okay, never mind. Well, that's the end of this video. I hope you like, subscribe, share with your friends, and just have an amazing day. And also, hit the notification bell to get some more videos from us. And you hit the subscriptions, and then you'll find it in there. So, bye-bye!